On this one here, a little bit difficult. I have to back in between a gate, and I only have 12 or 13 inches on each side. Looks like goodness to me. Right there. Like I say, thank God I can back up. Whew. Let's go see what we got. Yes! Scrapping with Grandpa, picking up goodness. Oh yeah, I see a nice pile. Oh, look at you. Oh, an air conditioner. I love it. Lord have mercy. Wow. 1, 2, 3 radiators right on top. Yes. Oh my God, that is a huge load. That right there is a pile of scrap metal, buddy. Holy smoke. Man, I'm on my own today, guys. Uh-oh. I gotta roll up the window of my truck. Good. Bill is not available because how you doing, buddy? Rock and roll. What you need? Ain't that? You need something out here?
I need just that thunder.
Right there?
Yeah, do it.
You got it, my friend.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Start with a dose. Don't you go nowhere. I don't know what we got here. Looks like I got a cart. Man, that's a good little teardown cart. We won't scrap that. We'll set that to the side. I don't know exactly what's wrong with it, but looks like a nice little teardown cart to me. Oh, better get my magnet back here in case we find some aluminum. That sounds like aluminum. I don't know. Don't know. Sometimes it's hard to tell. They can be real light. Can't tell it. Look at all this goodness I got back here. Good Lord, I got some work to do. Got some work to do, guys. Oh, she's magnetic, baby. Magnetic. Oh yeah, look at here. Look. Beautiful stuff right there. Rain, go away. Let Grandpa work a little bit more today. Killing me. Nice. Goodness. Goodness. Beautiful. Look at here, honey hole. I am excited right now, guys. Look at here. Window air conditioner. There's a buck. Oh, I feel the weight in that. That's a buck. Oh, take it. Here's a tight little squeeze right there. I could probably back my trailer over there and pull it out that way and be a little bit easier, but yeah, I guess that's not me. I'm gonna do it this way. Stuff everywhere. Look, I got gloves on. Get that stuff stacked up in the front. Lord have mercy. Oh yeah, that's heavy. See what kind of goodness we end up with today. Boy, these guys have been busy. They got a lot of metal for me today. Uh-oh. Yeah, gonna do me like that, ain't you? You're gonna do me like that. This is the only good thing about having somebody else with you is you don't have to do this over and over again. Keep getting in and out. That's all right though. We find a way. What the heck is that? Oh, it's a cutter. That's for cutting paper. For cutting paper. And I'll have a good load to bring in tomorrow. Holy smoly. Oh yeah. Boy, tomorrow's Saturday. I have so much to do. Saturday. Whew. I don't think I'll be able to get it all done, guys. No way. No way. I know. Don't have to worry about knowing what that is right there. Huh? I don't even have to put a magnet on that. That's aluminum. 50 cents a pound if it's clean. Ooh, that's heavy. I know what this is too. Steel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Heavy steel. Man, this is a pile from hell. Pile from hell. Grandpa is blessed. Oh, don't give me a hard time. Everything's wet, slippery. I mean, everything's wet and slippery right now. Oh, baby. Yep. Oh my goodness, slippery. These gloves are definitely not gripping like I was hoping. Yeah. Man, goodness, everywhere. Believe it all. Sir. Whew. Heavy. My legs definitely don't like a lot of walking. Oh boy, can that be? I mean, I don't know, can it? It's so light. Can it be? It could be. What do you think, guys? Is it? Yeah. Is it? Oh, it is. I thought it was too. Wow. Grandpa is blessed. Aluminum. Goodness. Aluminum goodness. Yes, sir. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, I got some goodness in this pile. Guys, that ain't just the beginning. Just the beginning. Lord have mercy, look at her. Heavy stuff. Heavy stuff. Oh yeah. No, that's not aluminum. Too heavy. It's heavy. And slippery. Oh, some of the biscuit. Pricked me right up on the arm. Heavy. And slippery. Yeah. That's about what I figured. Heavy and slippery. If I stack them just nice and careful, nice and careful, got a nice pile in here. Toyota. Look at that. Wanting to be back heavy. Oh, biatch. Quit being back heavy. This is 3 plastic barrels, 2 inside this one, that I picked up from a trailer rental. I rented my trailer, and he had this and 2 other plastic barrels that he was throwing away. I was like, I think I can use that, by God. Definitely use that. Alright. Okay. Oh yeah. Everywhere. Goodness. Gracious, great balls of fire. Oh boy. Almost light enough. Almost light enough. Almost. Nope, not quite. Had a feeling it wasn't. They don't stand up very well either. Okay. That's big stuff, big stuff. Back hatch here. Oh yeah, 2 more radiators there. 2 more radiators. It's good to have honey holes, guys. Oh my God. I don't know what I'd do without my honey holes. I like these too. These are also considered extrusion. This thing weighs about 10 pounds. 10 pounds right there, maybe 8 pounds, I don't know. But 90 cents a pound for extrusion. This thing blew up. I don't know what happened to it, but it blowed up. Oh, got something in my eyeball. Mostly water. Mostly water. I'm dripping. I am dripping right now. Good Lord heard me though, because it slowed down a little bit. And the good Lord's like, all right, let me take it easy on this guy for a minute. Let me get this scrap metal. Let me get this scrap metal, Lord. All the help I can get. I think I need to back my trailer right here. Yeah. I mean, that just doesn't make sense for me to keep walking all this distance. It's too much. Got this aluminum, I'll put it later. It's too much of walking. Let me get what's in here real quick. Let's get what's in here. I'm gonna have to do a video just on bloopers. Something. Slippery. Not where I want you. Like it right there. Oh yeah. That's where I want you. Whew. Feeling it. Whew. Man, I'm wet. I am wetter than wet. Not too bad, I'm getting there. Oh, got some extrusion, 90 cents a pound. That's about the, would be the best aluminum that you can get. Gotta make sure that that's aluminum, so it's not dirty. Either that or just drive them out somehow. Put that in the back of my truck with all that other goodness I got in there. Hope I ain't got none.
No. We're getting the bumper.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh.
That's you.
Yep, me. What? What's going on, Bill? Man, you missed out on a good one. Picking up a honey hole here in Bowling Spring. Yep. It's raining though. I'm a little bit. I'm at Caliber Collision down at Bowling Spring. Yeah, it's only right down the street, but I'm halfway done. Oh shoot, don't worry about it. Oh, don't worry about it. Ain't no big deal. I just called to see if you was there. If you were, I was gonna have you help me. If you weren't, then I wasn't. But I'm ready. Oh man, it's still raining harder than I like. Picking up scrap metal, you know. I wanted to get this on here though, so I could get a load in the morning maybe. Take it, you know, at least brought to the scrapyard. So I'm hoping. I got a load of gutters out in Winnebago from another gutter guy. I'm not sure how much, but yeah, I'm not sure exactly how much, but he said he has a pretty good amount. Yeah. I know. Freaking goodness. Yeah, I will. Yeah, that job we went out there and did where I put that ridge vent stuff up there, said it's still leaking somewhere. I don't know where, but yeah. So I gotta go back there next week. Yeehaw. Yeah, I think so. I hope so. Yeah. All right, buddy. Let me get to work, finish this up. I'm about halfway done, like I say. All right, bye. Oh, that's too heavy for one hand. I thought I was gonna grab that one-handed. Nope. I grabbed a hold of it, said, "Hey, you ain't going nowhere. What do you think you're doing? Better get two hands, Grandpa. You're not 20 anymore." Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. That is a piece of steel. No wonder I couldn't grab it. Lord. Listen to it, that's heavy. Whew. Of course, the scrapyard don't consider it heavy. But I do. I should. Good Lord, Grandpa. Good Lord. Like I say, Lordy, Grandpa is not 40. Not anymore. I can feel it. I feel it. I mean, look at all the goodness. Still pulling it out. Still pulling it out. It's everywhere. Everywhere. Tire. It's like the trunk. Somebody cut the trunk, slam out. What in the hell? How did they mess up the trunk? Looks like where the spare tire goes or something. Whew. All right, legs. All right, legs. Whew. If you want to know a little bit more about what I got, which is called peripheral arterial disease, look up PAD on Google, or say, hey Siri, what is PAD? Oh yeah. Yep, that's me all day. 5 operations, guys, on my legs already. Oh, 5 operations. I'm hoping I don't have to keep going through that for the rest of my life. Every year or so. I've had 5 in 5 years. Man. 5 in 5 years. Well, ever since I had my first heart attack, I developed PAD. Shake 'em out. And it is no joke, man. I hate it. Muffler. PAD. Nice piece of aluminum. I'll take it. Boy, I gotta find time to unload my truck. I just gotta find time to unload my truck. That's all there is to it. Whew. Go check out my buddy Junk and Grind. Junk and Grind. He is a worker, man. He does a lot of scrap metal. He's got a saying, motivated. Let me see. Have to remember what it is now. Motivated. Huh. He's got a saying though, and he is all of it. He is motivated. Jump and grind. Hard working dude, man. He's became a YouTube friend of mine. Yeah. Scrap Move Grandpa's got some YouTube friends. Thank you to everybody for being my YouTube friend. We don't see each other in person, but I surely love talking to you when I get the chance. Answering your comments and all that kind of good stuff. Get this stuff packed in here. Packing, man. Packing. Rain, go away. Keeps coming back. Getting worse and worse. Oh, no. No, we have none of this. Oh, come on. Come on. You're kidding me. All right, let's see how long this is gonna last. Let's go sit in the truck. I don't want to get this wet. Break out of the rain. Man, I ain't lying, it looks rough out there. Let's pull up the old GPS, see what we got going on. My gloves are so wet I can hardly pull it up. Come on. Hardly pulling off my fingers there. Yeah. Oh, they're wet. I'm wet, they're wet, everything's wet. Gosh, my fingers look pruned up. All right, guys. Let's see what we got out here for rain. It was supposed to be gone. Whew. Man, I look straight at the weather map. I'll be back in a minute. My butt. What it's doing is kicking my butt. I don't have a whole lot left here. It's definitely getting me. Nice, excruciating. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more. I am soaked. I might just put my tailgate up. Just throw it all in there the way it is. I don't know how much more stacking I can do in there. Let's see what we got going on, guys. See what we got going on. Get some stuff in there. It's not gonna blow out, obviously. Oh yeah. Lock it in, baby. Lock it in. Oh, don't do that to me. I knew that piece of plastic would get in my way before it was long. Stacking and packing. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep, spare tire hole. That was. Spare tire hole. That's gonna have a big strap right on it, so. Big strap right on it. Oh yeah. Whew. Yes. Sir. Oh yeah. All right. Whew. Yes, sir, I'm wet. Wet. So close. I'm closing. I'm just gonna stack it in there best I can. My magnet out of the way. Just got my doors all set up again and fixed and welded and power for my lights and everything fixed. Get that magnet out of there. Oh yeah, now I don't have to fight with the doors to close them. Close so easy. Yes, Grandpa's blessed. Less $196 or $97. I was just blown away when he told me what the small amount that they were charging me. I was blown away. Seems like every time I have something done, it costs me $500. How about you guys? Every time you have something done, it's $500. $500. Like, good God, you about $500 me to death. $500 me to death. For crying out loud. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is. It's one of them drown there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Throw it right in there. Thank you. I seen the other part of it already in there.
This big bulky thing,
Yeah.
we don't have room for it.
I seen the other part where the cutter.
Yeah, we took the
said-
axle off of it and used it on the cutter that
Yeah.
we do use.
Yeah. I knew what that went to as soon as I seen it. Got some stragglers. Got some stragglers. Oh! All right, so the right arm's better, but it's not perfect. Oh, that hurt a little bit. Throwing over my shoulder a little bit. I still got some issues. Look at that goodness right there. Hoo-wee. Freaking goodness everywhere. Oh, look at that Fat Jack. Fat Jack. Sir. Well, I tell you what, this is what the scrapyard makes out when they get this stuff like this for shred metal, because it is so close to heavy steel, it's not funny. Even though I guess it's galvanized, so galvanized never heavy steel. I don't know. I guess galvanized is never really heavy. It's number 2 steel. It has to be the rotors that makes up that heavy part, I think, for the most part. I think that's how that works. Rotors are different steel. Complete different steel. Whew. Oh, it's so close, but yeah, so far. Oh yeah. I'm blessed though, guys. I am blessed. The Lord has blessed me just to be able to do what I do right now, because I have, to be honest with you, more injuries and problems than I'll ever talk about or tell about. Lots. I try to ignore it for the most part and just keep on plugging on, because I feel good that the good Lord has gave me what he gave me. Thank you, Lord, for that. I can still do what I'm doing right now. I feel blessed. I know I have friends of mine. One of them's in Michigan, Roadhog. He's disabled. He scraps on his bicycle, guys. He scraps on his bicycle. Now, he's doing what he likes to do. He has a lot of fun. Old Roadhog does. Roadhog, one word. He has a lot of fun doing it. But it's got to be a lot of work for him. He's pedaling that bike with his hands because he ain't got legs. He's on crutches, scrapping. Oh my God. Roadhog, you the man. I don't know how you do it. I've seen him lay down to take things apart, you know, so because he can't stand up, so. Yep, he's a good guy no matter what. Oh man, this looks like mostly steel. There's some aluminum on it, but it's only the exterior cases on it, and it would take more. Almost got it. A couple more bumpers. We'll be done with this pile. When my battery goes dead, I've always got a couple of extra clicks. So this is my last couple clicks, guys, and we are done scrapping with Grandpa. What's next? What's next? What's next? We got a trailer full of goodness. We need to get that emptied. So I guess that's what's next. Always helps me. Any little amount helps me, really.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So when you guys call me, I always like to be right on top of it too, you know what I mean? So it's not just sitting here for so long. I do the same thing down on Long Beach Road with that Steve. He's a nice guy. He didn't like me at first. He told me, stay out of my dumpster. Stay off of my property. But my buddy down there, Creech.
Oh, Curtis?
Yeah, Curtis.
Yeah.
He talked to him. He said, look, he's doing you. Yes, sir. We are loaded. Loaded. Scrapping with Grandpa. Leaving the honey hole.